Alright guys, what's up? So I'm going to show you how to install and run my darn compiler. Git clone. Okay, once you do this, you're going to do chmod plus x c-compiler. Now we're going to cd c-compiler. My mic's in the way, so it's hard for me to see the screen. There we go. Alright, ls, and now we are going to type in chmod plus x main.sh. We're going to repeat this process. Decompiler.sh, darn underscore compile.sh, and now we're going to type cmd. Okay, and now we just type in main.sh /decompiler.sh. Okay, and now we type in /darn underscore compile.sh. Okay, and then we type /cmd.sh. Clear, darn. There we go, darn --h. Now it works. Thank you for watching.